recording. Okay. So continuing with postural assessment with Jade as our subject, I'm just now going to demonstrate how we find those bony prominences, and we've marked them so that you can see them a little easier. But if I just get down, stand behind my client and palpate, I immediately feel in the region that I think I'm going to find these bony prominences. And once I'm sure I'm on certainly hard structure here and what I think are the PSIS is, I'll just palpate up to make sure I'm going up and across the iliac crest there. Come back down, and certainly these two areas here feel as though they're the most prominent areas, and therefore I would assess those as being the PSISs. If I want to check, then I can feel the lumbar spine and the spinous processes of L5 coming down onto the sacrum. If I just hitch down a little bit there, I've got my bony landmarks of the sacrum, and sure enough, that bony landmark is going to be my PSIS that I'm going to locate. For the ASIS, round to the anterior aspect, and this one's easier to palpate. You can feel the solid bony structure there. Coming down a little bit, now I'm on sartorius because it's gone just a little bit softer. So back up, and there's the two landmarks that I'm using. So if I now put fingers into those landmarks and hold them steady, you will be able to see that that angle, if we estimate using the eye, is certainly less, or probably only about 10 degrees from a horizontal line. It's very shallow. So that indicates that Jade's pelvis is posteriorly tilted, and the shape of her back also indicates that. There's not a great deal of a lordosis in the lumbar region there. Okay? Thank you. Don't know what else I should be. I think that's sufficient, isn't it?